Welcome back. All right, so what you can do for this week, especially if you're trying to catch up, you want to basically go to our page, click on English 12B coursework, and whether you're on week 9 or week 10, we're still working on figuring out the case against Adnan Syed. And with week 9, we're basically just going through and making sure that we have covered all the episodes that we listened to in class, which if you need to re-listen to anything, all the links for the videos that have the audio, like episode 1, will bring you to this YouTube video that has the audio. Afterwards, you would go to the discussion questions, answer the discussion questions, just make sure that you hit submit so I get them, and you're just trying your best. All of them were answered in class, so if you were in class, you should know the answers. And it does say write 4 sentences. For some of them, I would say write a sentence and you'll get credit. But you have episodes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. We're skipping 7, so we have 8, 9, skipping 10, 11, and then 12. So no 7 and 10, but the rest of the episodes are there, and these are all discussion questions. And again, if you don't know the answer, I suggest Googling the answer and investigating and trying to find a good source that is reliable to help you answer the questions. Otherwise, you can re-listen to the episodes. Or what's going to happen next week for week 10, right here, is we're going to watch on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday, because we're not here on Monday. There's no school currently this Friday. So the 18th, no school, and no school on the 21st. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, each day we're going to watch a documentary titled The Case Against Adnan Syed. And it is an HBO documentary that will cover this case on Adnan. And really what it'll do is it'll just bring us more visual understanding of what happened in the case. We've listened to everything from episodes 1 through 12. So right now we're going to watch 4 episodes that'll help us visually see what we were listening to. And let's say you were missing some of the discussion questions. This documentary should help you fill in some of the questions because it's just re-going over all the evidence that we've already listened to. But the difference is the documentary is from 2019. This podcast was from 2014. So a lot of different evidence has come forward since we reopened the case with the podcast, and that's what this documentary is going to cover. So that's what we're going to be doing next week for week 10. Again, week 9, and from week 10, 11, and 12, for the rest of the trimester, anything that we've already completed, it'll be on the bottom in the past due assignments. So if you're missing the informative essay, which is worth 100 points, you need to do it. Make sure you do that essay using 6 sources. Mine was on Beyonce. I spent 6 weeks talking about it. So at this point, you just need to do the essay. Each of these discussion questions are worth 15 to 18 points. Plus, then we also have all these discussion journal questions that we've been doing almost every day. So if you're missing discussion questions, make sure that you go to the discussions and you pick up those points. They're worth 2 points apiece. If you didn't do it, you got 1 point. So try to figure out how to pass my class. We got about 3 weeks left of the trimester. So good luck. If you have questions, reach out. Email, Google, chat, or face-to-face. Have a good week. Bye-bye.